If your business is dealing with stacks of unwanted pallets taking up valuable space, this is exactly the kind of problem we solve every day here in Raleigh, North Carolina. In this video, we're showing a real pallet removal job at a local business where pallets have started to pile up outside the building. This is a common issue for warehouses, grocery stores, and distribution centers. And if it's not handled properly, it can quickly impact your operations. In this situation, the customer had to build up a pallets that had been accumulating over time. At first, it may not seem like a big issue, but as the volume increases, it starts to create real challenges. You lose usable space that could be used for staging or receiving inventory. It can also become a safety concern for employees and equipment moving through the area. On top of that, it slows down operations and creates unnecessary clutter around your facility. This is something we see regularly. Businesses get busy, pallets stack up, and before you know it, it becomes a bigger problem than expected. When we arrive on site, the first step is always to access the layout and volume of pallets. Every job is a little different, so we focus on creating the most efficient approach based on the situation. For this job, we began by organizing and restacking the pallets. Now, this step is important because it improves safety and allows us to maximize how much we can load efficiently. Instead of just grabbing pallets randomly, we take a structured approach to keep everything controlled and efficient throughout the process. Once everything is organized, we move into the loading phase. Now, this is where experience and efficiency really make a difference. We load the pallets in a way that maximizes truck space and minimizes time on site. The goal is always to complete the job quickly without disrupting the customer's daily operations. For businesses, downtime matters. So we focus on working around your schedule and keeping everything moving smoothly from start to finish. For businesses, pallet piled up is more than just clutter. It directly affects how efficiently your facility operates. Now, when space is limited, it impacts staging, receiving, and overall workflow. By having a reliable pallet removal service in place, you can keep your facility clean, organized, and ready for both inbound and outbound inventory. It also helps your team stay focused on their core responsibilities instead of dealing with pallet management internally. At RDU Pallets, we provide pallet removal and haulaway services for businesses across Raleigh, Durham, Wendell, Wilson, and all surrounding areas within 60 miles. We work with warehouses, grocery stores, manufacturers, and distribution centers that need dependable scheduled service they can count on. If your facility is dealing with excess pallets or ongoing pallet buildup, we can help. Contact RDU Pallets today to schedule a haulaway service, and we'll take care of the entire process, from organizing to loading and removal. We'll help you clear space, improve efficiency, and keep your operations running smoothly.